Hello guys, good morning. This is Jaru and today I'm here to uncover the word for today in the daily cipher and then show you the Morse code for the word. Today is 8th June and then the word for today is ton. Ton, which is T-O-N. Ton, as in ton coin. Yes, or ton wallet. Yes, and I'm here to show you on the Morse code, in the Morse code too. So watch and then go and receive your 1 million 1 million hamster kombat coins. So let's go. So the T is dash and then the O is dash 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 and then the N is dash dot. We are done. This is the code for today. Thank you very much for watching. So claim your prize, which is 1 million, and then upgrade. Make sure you upgrade your earnings per hour because it is the most important thing. Thank you very much.